guys, I am back, and yeah, something may look different with my face, but if you have a problem, leave, because this is the true me. Like, last time I was trying to be a person that I wasn't. And to be honest, I finally grew the courage with my family, of course, the support that I needed to really just show the real me. And, you know, my name isn't Hannah. It's Shalissa. And so today, I'm gonna go on Monkey. And I'm gonna find myself some new baby daddies, okay? To be honest, I'm really nervous. Like, I'm so nervous. I'm like, what are they gonna think about me? That you can't be me. You can't be this. You can't. I'm sorry. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna press the, woo, I'm nervous. Alright, I'm gonna press the record button and it's gonna actually record something. Is the microphone on though? Okay, guys, so now I'm recording live. I'm recording live from both of the things. Let me go on Monkey now. I'm high-key nervous, y'all. Oh, my heart is hurting. Alright, guys. Ooh, ooh. Oh, he skipped me. See, like, when people think they're too good for you, like, oh, I'm getting skipped. Okay. I'm gonna meet Andre. I don't want to meet no 10-year-old, so. Ooh, damn, he's too old. 2P me, no one want to play. I don't want 2 niggas. I want 1. Y'all, they're really testing me. Hey. I look cute?
How you doing?
Do I look cute?
You're fine ass.
Ah, thank you, guys. I really needed that, you know. Like, that's cute. So that's cute. He sound fine, y'all. I scored my dad. I just scored myself a husband. He wants to add time, but I don't want to add time. I'm not meeting no one from Australia, sorry. I don't like your niggas. I don't. Alright, let's go to the next one. Meet Dre. Let's meet Jay. He's 14. Hey, Jay. I look cute. Do I look cute? Jay ignorant. He ignorant. I'm gonna see. Hey, do I look cute? I cute? Thank you, because that's what I need. You know, I be feeling really insecure these days. Like, I look cute, right? I look cute. Empower women, y'all. Empower women. Germ, no. No. You look like he smelled eggs for a living. I want to talk. Hannah! What? Don't tell me you freaking finished the tomato paste. I didn't even use tomato paste. Oh. It's chick, bro. Where is it? Let's just see Micah. Hey, Micah, do I look cute?
No.
Oh my god, I just got reported. Y'all, I got reported for being myself. See, this what social media do to you, like. Shalissa is ready to roar. Stiff? Where? Stiff, where? Where? Nowhere stiff. Stiff? I don't know that. I don't. Ooh, I look cute. I look cute. I know I look cute. I know I look cute, right? Right? That's cute, right? Thank you. That's what I need. That's what I need. Oh, let's meet JJ. She's from. Do I look cute, JJ?
Hi, her name is Hannah too. You guys are twins.
Oh my god, we twins. Do I look cute? Cause us Hannahs, we need to reunite, you know? You just gonna stay silent? I don't look cute? Ethan, do I look cute?
Damn.
I look cute, right? Cause I've been feeling insecure lately.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's really appreciated. Oh my god. Hi. How are you? Looks like I haven't seen you in a long time.
What?
Come on, don't act like I didn't see you down the street yesterday.
If you add time, I'll pause the music. That's just, you know.
Don't nobody want to add time.
I can.
He just teased my eyebrows. Also, if you want to know what bundle I'm using, no one can really get this. It's like Brazilian weave, and yes, it's not a wig. My bad, guys. I was saying that, but it's actually a license. So yes, it does cost more. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, support your girl, and yeah.
I got my mind on the money, what you doing? I'm getting paper, young nigga, I'm pursuing. Made it on my own.